Today I will show you how to copy files or photos from a memory card to an Android phone. For this I'm using a USB-C hub. This is a small device that plugs into your phone's USB-C port and allows you to connect additional accessories such as a USB flash drive, memory cards, and even an HDMI output for connecting your phone to an external monitor. I will leave links in the description to USB-C hubs you can purchase. First, connect the USB-C hub to your phone. Then plug your memory card into the hub. I'm using a microSD card. Now on your Android phone, open the Files app. Under All Storage, tap on your memory card. In my case, it appears as USB2.0 Device. Locate the photos on your SD card. In my case, they are in the DCIM folder. Tap and hold the photo you want to copy to and select it. You can then select additional photos by tapping them. If you want to copy all photos in a folder, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Select All. Next, tap the three dots again and choose Copy To. Now select where you want to copy the photos. I will create a new folder and name it Summer 2025. Then tap Copy to Folder. Once the copy is complete, you're all done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.